This 4K laser projector is an IMAX killer? NOMVDIC P2000 might just replace your TV forever. Let's be honest, your current home theater setup is lying to you. That flat-screen TV? Meh. That crusty old projector you swore was good enough? Double meh. You've dealt with dim images, washed-out colors, fuzzy motion, and sound so weak you can hear the neighbor microwaving leftovers. Movie night becomes mood-killing night. And don't even get started on setup chaos, cables everywhere, soundbars that never sync, and laggy streaming. You deserve a cinematic escape, but instead? You're stuck watching epic movies on tech that feels like a 2007 YouTube upload. Now imagine this pain multiplied by time, money, and missed memories. You host a family night, and half the guests squint, the kids get bored, and someone says, "It looked better on my phone." Oof. You try streaming your favorite show in daylight and can't see a thing. Or worse, you invest in another gadget that can't even deliver sharp 1080p, let alone immersive 3D or proper surround sound. The visuals are bland, the colors off, and now your living room looks like a tangle of regret. And just like that, another movie night bites the dust. Enter the NOMVDIC P2000 Ultra Short Throw 4K Triple Laser Projector, the glow up your wall never saw coming. This isn't just a projector. It's a fire-breathing cinematic monster hiding in a sleek black box. With mind-blowing 4K UHD, ALPD 4.0 triple laser magic, 2500 Ansi lumens of eye-melting brightness, and colors that put OLED TVs to shame, this beast transforms your wall into a 150-inch Hollywood premiere, just 17 centimeters from the surface. Bonus? The built-in Harman and Kardon 50-watt soundbar hits like thunder, and with Dolby plus DTS support, you'll hear every explosion, whisper, and plot twist with chills. Smooth setup, sexy playback, and zero excuses. The NOMVDIC P2000 has MEMC tech for buttery smooth action scenes, auto image warping so setup's a breeze, and Bluetooth/Wi-Fi connectivity that makes content sharing as easy as your last selfie. Netflix binge? Done. Daytime sports? No problem. Want to plug in your Fire TV stick and go? You can, because it's included. Plus, eye protection sensors and reduced blue light make long sessions easy on your eyeballs. Whether it's movie night, game night, or just flexing on your friends, this projector owns the room. So what are you waiting for? A handwritten invite from Christopher Nolan. This is your chance to ditch the mediocre and embrace a home cinema so next level, it could intimidate actual theaters. Thousands have already made the jump, and stock isn't endless. This isn't some overpriced gimmick, it's the real deal visual revolution your living room deserves. So act now, grab the NOMVDIC P2000 before it's gone, and bring the movie magic home. No more meh. No more waiting. This is your screen's final form. Click now. Claim the future. And watch everything differently.